Good day N6s. We are quickly going to have a look at the formula concatenate. As you will remember in your question paper, number 7, it stated in column G, make use of the appropriate text function to combine, and there's the word that I'm looking for, combine, put together, make one, will tell me exactly what function I'm going to use. So they want you to use a function to combine the first 3 letters of the birthday month. So that section that says first 3 already tells me it's going to be a formula within a formula. And what do they want to see? The first 3 letters of the birthday month with the staff member's name, separated by a hyphen. So there is a few conditions that you will have to take into consideration. So the first thing, if I read the sentence, you will see that it says combine. So I'm going to go to column G, and I know combine means concatenate. So that's my first formula. Then, because they were very specific that they only want the first 3 letters of the birthday month, I am going to use the formula left, because we are reading from left to right, and they want the first 3 letters. I'm starting on the left. So therefore, it's open bracket, left, again, open bracket, and now I'm going to say, what am I referring to? The first 3 letters of the birthday month. So I click on the birthday month, comma. How many characters do I want to see, or letters? 3, because that's what it was indicated. I close my bracket, because now I'm done with the section that says left, comma. So that's my first section, first 3 letters of the birthday month. What is the next condition? It needs to have the staff member's name, but it needs to be separated by a hyphen. So now I want a hyphen between the month and the name. So I put in my inverted commas, I put in a hyphen, and again inverted commas. Why do I use the inverted commas? Because I'm busy with words. When you are working with numbers, you do not need the inverted commas. But a hyphen is seen as a word. So it's inverted comma, hyphen, inverted comma, comma. What is the next thing that I want to see? I want to see the staff member's name, and then close my bracket. Remember, I started off with a black bracket. I end off with a black bracket. There is my my red bracket, and I end off the left with a red bracket. And then when I press enter, you will see that it's going to give me January hyphen Andy, and I can copy down.